Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Chevy Malibu headlight. First, gather your essential tools, a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. You will also need the correct replacement headlight bulb for your specific Malibu model. Before starting any work, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood. You will typically find two 10mm bolts located on top of the headlight assembly. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should release from its clips, allowing you to gain better access to the bulb from behind. With the assembly accessible, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by squeezing its tab and pulling it off. Next, grasp the base of the old bulb and rotate it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it, then pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass. Insert it, align the tabs, and twist it clockwise until it locks firmly into place. You are almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks securely. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting clips until it sits flush. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts, tightening them just past hand tight to secure the assembly. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that your new bulb is functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.